Happy New Year's! I hope everyone is doing well and everyone is safe. So, guess what? A Dollar Tree is stocked up in gardening supplies, and I've been seeing some videos on YouTube. So, I decided to take a peek inside and grab some things that I know I will need come spring. So, come along with me, that's the GT, and let's see what we can find. So leave a comment down below if you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I finally got my stuff. I got this for my neighbor so she can start her herb garden. And I think this will be very cute. So I got this to go with it. And if she needs any soil, I have soil already. But it's really easy because you just need to add water and plant it. And it's going to work. And it gives you the directions right there. And the germination, the height, and all of the details that you need. Then I saw this and I liked it. They had the other ones which was like blue and red, but I like this design, so I got 7 of them just because I know I need 4 and the extra 3 can always come in handy. But I knew that just get it now because it might be gone when I come back. So this is to go with her herb garden. Then I got this impatient mix. It's leaking, I don't know why. I have that. Then I got this one, which is the wildflower straw sunny area. And I got this because it tells you what it has, and I'm glad that it has the delphinium and it has the echinacea, so that's what I'm more interested in, is those two. And then it also has like some others like lupine, coreospis, and chrysanthemum. So I like that one. And then I got the hummingbird variety. They also have a shade garden, but I like this because I saw it had that delphinium, so that's what I was more attracted to. And it also has like almost the same flowers in the other one, just a slight variation, so I got that one. Then I got this plant clips, which will come in handy. Then I got a big thermometer, and then I got this soaker. I thought that would come in handy, you never know. And then I got this shear and this one just for backup, you know, because it's $1. I mean, if it breaks, oh well, but just for backup for what I already have. And plus, you know, when you gardening, they tend to just disappear and get legs of their own and crawl away. Then I got this microgreen mix. Thought it was cool, so I got that. And then I'll just go through the plants that I got and the flowers. So I have Shasta Daisy, I have sunflower, so I should show you close up. This is the Mammoth Russian. Then I got lavender. This says container variety, but I've been wanting lavender, so I don't know. Then yeah, I got 2 of that just for backup. Then I have Snapdragon. I thought that would be nice to have. So, and then I have Bachelor's Button. This one is really pretty. I like that color. I got 2 of that. And then I have the blue one. So I really like the blue one, because that's like an unusual color. Then I got cantaloupe. Then I have watermelon. Then I have marigold. This is a French door double mix, and I like it because of how his petals are. There I got another blue Bachelor Button. They have petunias. I got chives. I got poppy. I like this one because it's yellow. Then I have carrot. Another carrot. So they have different varieties, and some of them says heirloom. Then I have peas. I always hear about sugar snap. I got another set of watermelon, another set of petunias, and cauliflower. I got that one. And another set of Snapdragon, and another set of Bachelor Button. So that's what I got so far, and yeah, I definitely got this because, you know, you come back, it's gone. And then yeah, that's what I got. My dad got the rest of the vegetables because, like, I was more interested in the flowers, and yeah, he got like the vegetables. And this is everything. The only time I'll probably go back is like to get a bigger plastic basin, and that's about it. So this is all of the stuff that I got.